Okay. So, of course, not all of the picture is showing here. Now you have to double click on it with the black arrow and zoom out. And you see the brown wireframing here. What is the border of the picture? So you only see a part of the picture inside of the vertical frame, of course. And you are able, of course, to move the picture inside of its frame by just clicking, waiting a little bit, and all of the picture appears. Then, with the Shift key onto the keyboard, you are able to move the picture inside of its frame, maybe to show something more interesting, I don't know. Just release the button of the mouse and then the Shift key. So it's not easy with this picture to show something interesting. Maybe, I don't know. Okay. And all of the pictures in the document, you may do the same. You are able to click on them, click onto them. In fact, double click onto them. And then with the Shift key, you are able to move them up and down or left and right. So it is important to do some cropping on your pictures and to show the most important part of the picture, of course. This is part of the building of an InDesign document, putting pictures into the document and cropping the pictures with a frame and showing only a part of the picture. I go into another page here. Page 43, double click, zoom out in order to be able to see all of the frame of the picture, the brown wireframing. Click and drag with the Shift key